What's going on, my friend? Garrett Berry here, coming at you from my home office in Houston, Texas. And chances are you're watching this video because you're interested in making money online, maybe working from home, maybe just doing the things you love to do with the people you love doing it with without having to answer to a boss or a job. Well, you're in the right place because in this video, I'm going to share with you a way that I've been personally doing that, and a lot of my other students and teammates have been also doing that. Okay, so I'm actually on my Facebook profile right now. It's Garrett Berry. And if first off, if we're not already connected, feel free to connect with me below, because what I really hate is people that are online and they're not being transparent, they're not authentic, they're trying to hide behind their computer. And I'm here, my friend. Like I want to help you if you're serious about changing your life. So I'm sharing my Facebook profile right here. But what I want to share with you is that I actually just got back from San Diego, California, and I spent, a few days there. It was an amazing trip. And to be honest, it was always a dream of mine. I had never been to California. I'd been to a lot of other places, but I always wanted to go there. And because of this online business opportunity that I'm sharing with you in this video, I've been able to do that. I was a picture right here. You can see that's San Diego. Right here, I got to ride on a yacht, which was absolutely incredible. And all the time, money was still depositing into my bank account on autopilot. Okay, now again, I'm not sharing this to brag or to boast or to impress you, but to really impress upon you that this is possible. Okay, I was a waiter a couple years ago. I had never done anything like this before, but one thing was I was coachable and hungry, and I got started through a proven mentor, someone that could teach me exactly how to do it. Now, I want to share with you some of the results that I've been getting. Now, as you can see right here in my Stripe account, and if you don't know what Stripe is, basically it's a merchant processor. It allows you to collect payments. When you promote products online and someone buys those products, this will show you, this is one of the ways you can see how much money you're making. Now, yesterday I actually made $521 and some change. Today, it's still early, but I'm already up, $225. And, today I've barely done anything. I'm shooting this video, but I mean, anyone can really hit record and talk, so it's not really, you're not doing manual labor. You're not, in the scorching sun all day. I mean, it's passive, and that's what I want to share with you how to do. Okay. So, if you're watching this video, if you want more information, if you're already on my email list, okay, if you're already getting emails from me, then go to the button below and or scroll down to find out more information. If you're watching this on YouTube, what I want to invite you to do, if you're interested, is go to the link below, and you should be taken to a page that looks like this. It may be slightly different, but this is, the page. Now, what you want to do is you want to go here and you want to put in your best email. Now, the reason is, these videos that I'm making to help people are going out 24/7, so I can't be on my computer all day sending people information. So once you put your best email in, you'll actually receive an email to your inbox with an overview, okay, full overview, videos, more proof of other people just like you and me making tremendous amounts of money in a very, very small amount of time per day. And go ahead and check that out. I have more information, and I get into much more information on what this business opportunity is, who it's for, etc. But again, I just want to invite you. You can see all these people commenting, liking my pictures, and I'm really creating a difference, and that's what I do it for. I'm not doing it to just make a quick buck. I've already achieved that the last 4 years. Now I'm really wanting to give back and look for hungry, coachable people. As you can see right here, right here, this guy. Tom, he says, "Hey brother, just got another sale today. I'm already at 4 already. Your Instagram training is life-changing." Okay, and that's some of the training that I share with people when they partner with me in this opportunity. He already made 4 sales, and again, that's what I do it for. Like, I'm here to change people's lives. Okay, so again, if you're watching this video, my friend, and you want to earn great money online, go ahead, go to the link below, put your email in, and you'll get sent information. Again, I want to thank you so much for watching, my friend. Feel free, again, to connect with me on Facebook. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I got a lot of people reaching out, joining, but I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely period. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on the inside. Take care.